How to use Google Assistant this Valentine's Day. Just in time for Valentine's Day, Google has launched a new way to use Assistant to get the romance started. Google has also published a list of ways to use Assistant to ensure this Valentine's Day works out just the way you, or your partner, planned it. In a post on the keyword, Google spells out the many and varied ways Assistant can help your Valentine's Day go well. The post was written by someone called Somuch, which is clearly a real person and not just a made-up name in honor of Valentines. The headline feature: use Google Assistant to transform your home from forgettable to festive. All you need to say is, "Hey Google, turn up the love." Doing so will make the Assistant play smooth jazz music and turn your color-changing lights to red and purple. This works with an Assistant-enabled smart speaker or smart display, like Nest Hub Max, and is available in English all around the world. However, even if you don't own a compatible device, there are other ways to use Google Assistant on Valentine's Day. Google lists a number of different ways to use the Assistant on Valentine's Day. This includes, "Hey Google, play romantic music," "Hey Google, share romantic dinner recipes," "Hey Google, serenade me," and "Hey Google, directions to a flower shop near me." This is a timely reminder of how powerful Google Assistant is, even when it comes to love, that most human of emotions. However, Assistant isn't the only AI capable of helping couples come together. And here's how to use Siri to set the scene for romance. If you're single, or self-partnered, this Valentine's Day, don't worry, as we haven't forgotten you. While other people are wasting their money on impersonal tokens of love, you can stay curled up on the sofa and watch one of these Valentine's Day films for singletons. If you're single this Valentine's Day, why not grab yourself a glass of wine and watch some anti-romantic films on Netflix? Text source: makeuseof.com